In any school group chat today, communication is constant. Memes, inside jokes, and light teasing are part of the daily rhythm of how friends stay connected. Because we are conditioned to laugh things off online, it is easy to miss the moment a message moves from harmless fun into dangerous territory. Take an ambiguous, edgy post. In the seconds after it appears, the sender's actual intent can be difficult to categorize. This raises a critical question. How can you determine when a digital message stops being funny and becomes a genuine safety risk? We can map these interactions using an escalation spectrum. This three-tiered model begins in the green zone, where metrics for mutual participation and safety remain high. A joke has objective boundaries. It is friendly and mutually understood, ensuring no individual feels targeted or humiliated. In the green zone, everyone laughs together rather than at the expense of one person. When the spectrum moves into the yellow zone, the tone shifts. New metrics emerge: embarrassment, targeting, and exclusion, often through edited photos or repeated insults aimed at a specific student. This marks the boundary of harm. If a message embarrasses, excludes, or attacks someone, especially after they have asked for it to stop, it has moved past the definition of a joke. While a sender might claim they were only kidding, their original intent does not erase the real-world harm experienced by the person being targeted. Recognizing a yellow zone message is vital because it shows that an emotionally unsafe environment is being constructed around a peer. This is the critical turning point where targeted social harm crosses the line and becomes a severe physical warning. We define a red zone message as a threat. This includes posts that mention violence, weapons, or revenge, or aim to create widespread fear. On the spectrum, the distinction is clear. While harm attacks an individual's emotions, a threat spreads, creating widespread panic and compromising the physical safety of the entire school. Red zone messages function as immediate physical safety emergencies and require a specialized level of response. These messages are often seen first by a bystander, a student holding their phone and deciding how to react. Seeing a questionable post often triggers doubt. You might worry about overreacting, being labeled a snitch, or getting a classmate in trouble over a misunderstanding. That hesitation is a common psychological response, but it allows harmful messages and active threats to circulate without consequence. The silence of bystanders who witness a message allows the risk to escalate unchecked. Bringing a frightening or harmful message to light is a responsible choice. You do not need to decide alone whether a threat is credible or serious. This flowchart shows how the responsibility transfers. Trusted adults, teachers, counselors, and safety teams are the designated assessors who evaluate the risk and take next steps. Your role is to flag the anomaly. The adult's job is to investigate it. Follow a three-step protocol. First, pause. Stop the spread by refusing to forward the message, laugh along, or ignore it. Second, recognize. Use the green, yellow, and red spectrum to categorize the level of danger. Third, report. Take a screenshot to preserve evidence and immediately show it to a trusted adult. Reporting a threat serves as a safeguard for the community. Using this spectrum helps ensure the safety of your friends and the entire school.